How to recover Roblox account without email or password. In today's video I'm going to be telling you guys about how you can recover your Roblox account even if you don't remember your email or password. So without being said, let's get started. There is two methods. I'm going to be telling you about both of them, alright? So the first method only works if you have previously verified your phone number on your Roblox account. If you didn't verify your phone number or your email address on your Roblox account, then the first method won't work. Essentially, go to roblox.com just like this on your phone or your computer, anything you like, and then go ahead and click forgot password or username. Instead of entering in an email, here you're going to go ahead and use your phone number to reset the password. It will go ahead and send you a 6-digit code on your phone. Once you type that code in your reset password screen and hit verify, you'll be able to create a new password for whatever account. Now, the second method. The second method is, suppose you don't have your email or your phone number either. So what you have to do is you have to contact Roblox support. To do this, simply click on this little help button, then click on Roblox account, find the option I forgot my password, click on this button, go all the way at the bottom, click on need more help, contact support here. That's it. Just enter all your details here, and if you don't remember your email, just type any random email you like, enter the issue, just say I no longer have access to my email or password and it's not linked to my phone number and email either, and then hit continue. Once you do this, Roblox will work you through some account recovery steps to help you recover your Roblox account. So these are two basic methods where you can get yourself your Roblox account without a password or an email. So that is it guys, let's wrap it up. And if this guide was helpful for you guys, so please consider subscribing, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.